Use at the second heat setting, third if the client prefers. Start off using long strokes with a long edge with heavy pressure in both hands. The tissue should become slightly red and warm to the touch. Then move to one shoulder with the entire blade. Use the side of the blade vertically and horizontally to get to the traps and lats, rotator cuff, and rhomboids. When working over the shoulder, use a long blade to jostle the tissue back and forth to further break it up. Use the thumb edge to get deeper into the muscles and the sharp edge to do more detail work. Use a combination of cross-fiber friction, scrubbing, and long strokes. Use the long blade with two hands and firm pressure to scoop tissue from the traps and levator scapula up and out. The thumb edge will help you. Then flip around and scoop with more pressure on the sharp side. Work between scooping and cross-fiber friction. Move to the front to get to the deltoids. Use the thumb edge to work the fibers with short and long strokes. When you feel adhesion, stop and work with the sharp and thumb edges to get deeper into the tissue. Use long strokes to see how smooth the tissue is, and then use smaller strokes when you feel the areas need a little bit more work.